Oh, wait till we get to the plus version. We've got stuff far bigger than this in the plus version that we're going to show. I'm excited. What I'm planning on talking about in the plus episode, I want to talk about the whole idea of fishers of men. And I want to show how, I don't want to spoil it, but there's actually there's a connection there in the Tanakh, which is extremely important. And I think it's generally missed. I had missed it until yesterday. I was literally talking to T-Bone about this. And I said, wow, the gospel got it wrong. And I looked at it, I'm like, oh, wait a minute. Maybe there's another way to understand this verse. And I want to talk about the structure of some of the incidents in the life of Yeshua. And what do I mean by the structure? Well, John says there's more things that Yeshua did that could be even committed to writing. Yeah. So when the four Gospels chose to share what they were sharing, they had a purpose of why they were presenting it that way. Wow. We're going to talk a little bit about that. Let's see. I want to talk about something which is a grenade, which is in Matthew 4:23. It says he came to teach in their synagogues. And Hebrew it says in their congregations. Who's there, Kimosabi? Right? Is he not a Jew? Why does it say their synagogues, their congregations? Last thing though, in verse 23, there's a play on words that connects to verse. It connects to verse 21, which is why I insisted last time we have to at least leave verse 21 for episode 12, because you can't read verse 23 without reading verse 21, but I'm going to save that for the plus episode.
Check out Hebrew Gospel Pearls Plus at nehemiaswall.com.